What's up, New Mexico? This is Dennis here at Melloy Chevrolet in Los Lunas. Down here talking to you at the beginning of July. It is going to be an exciting July. Man, we're kicking it off with July 4th weekend. We have got our Independence Day credit freedom sale going on. People are loving that. It's been going on a couple of weeks, and we have been helping people right and left, right, left, right, left. Helping people get into vehicles. And if you see behind me, we've got new cars arriving daily. I mean, yesterday we got in a couple of sweet Equinoxes. We got in a something else. What did we get? A Colorado. We got a Colorado. It's a Z71 Colorado. We got that. Everyday cars are coming. So come down and see us. We have got stuff coming in. And if you are looking for something specific, if you've got a vehicle in mind and you come down or you jump on the website and you don't see it, don't worry. I bet it's on the way. We've got tons of cars coming in. Cars arriving every day. So if you're looking for a vehicle, now's your chance. This weekend is going to be huge. The July 4th weekend. I mean, we've got all kinds of things going on. That Independence credit sale going on. Chevy just kicked off their, that's a loud bird, isn't it? Chevy just kicked off their open road event. The Chevy open road. Because during the summertime, man, you want to be out driving, don't you? You want to be going places and doing things. It's going to be exciting this summer. So get on down here. Click the link. If you want to take advantage of our credit freedom sale, just click the link and go to our application. You can get that process started online. If you give us a phone call, 505-866-3000, let us know what you want. Give us an idea of what you're looking for so we can find it for you. It's either coming or we can do something. We'll find it. Don't worry, we got you. We've got that going on. What else we got going on? We just opened up the open road event. That's cool. They've got Chevy kicked off 0% for 72 months on a bunch of vehicles. So if you qualify for the 0%, they've got that for up to 72 months, and they've got no payments for, I want to say 90 days, but it may be something stupid like 120 days. I don't know. Click the link, get some details on that, because we've got that going on. We've got in our service department. Oh, our service department, let me tell you about that. They've got some stuff going on. So they've got our pit stop inspection. If you're gonna go out open road, if you're gonna go out on that open road this month, you need to get your vehicle checked out. So bring it in. Let our vehicle technicians take a look at it. They are trained at looking at vehicles. They can do that pit stop inspection. Just pull it in. I want a pit stop inspection. And we are going to take care of you. We're going to check out the vehicle, look under the hood, look at the brakes, look at the tires, make sure that you are good to go. What else? We got that going on. Our used car department, I mean, is continuing to pump. I mean, last month we had our Flip Your Ride event, and that was exciting. People took advantage of that. Flipped rides all month. So we've got a great selection of used vehicles. We have got, seems like I'm missing something. But I got to tell you, this is the time. If you are looking for a vehicle, you need to get down here, melloychevrolet.com. Click the link and get some information on our inventory. And again, if you don't see it online, don't worry about it. Or if you drive in, don't worry about it. We got vehicles arriving daily. So let us know what you're looking for. So as soon as that comes in, because that's what's happening, as soon as a vehicle comes in, we've got somebody looking for it, it's gone. So let us know what you want. We will get it for you. We have got that going on. We've got specials in finance. We've got all kinds of things. If you're looking for a vehicle, now's the time. Let's make July, let's celebrate July. Come on, let's go. Give us a phone call, 505-866-3000, exit 203, Interstate I-25. Easy to find, easy to deal with. Look, there's Mr. GM Financial Man right there. He'll get you approved. So we've got that going on. Just give us a phone call. Get on down here. Come on down. Drive in the lot. If you don't see what you're looking for, don't worry. It may be in the back. It may be going through detail. Just let us know what you're looking for, and we will hook you up. So I think that's it. This is Dennis here at Melloy Chevrolet, melloychevrolet.com, your hometown dealership, 505-866-3000, exit 203, Interstate I-25. Easy to find, easy to deal with. Get on down here. Let's celebrate July. Come on.